So not too long ago, we did a promotion with Dupli-Color online, and we selected a few people that sent stories in with pictures of their trucks that had some little scuffs or nicks here and there that they wanted to fix with Dupli-Color products. Will, it's your day, my man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well, too. Beautiful truck. Now, you brought it in, and you're like, well, I've got a few issues here. We're walking around. I'm seeing a little bit about what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's got a lot of road nicks on it just from driving it around. It's got 60,000 miles in the 4 years I've had it.
Yeah, these are nothing. These are going to be super easy. So the first thing we need to do is get the paint code for the vehicle. Now, Will, you strike me as the type who might know the paint code, but we'll see. 8624. So what we do is you get that paint code, and now you're going to find this book at your automotive retailer, and they're vehicle specific. All right, GM page. This will tell you how to find your paint code. There's even this QR code that you can scan with your phone, and that'll shoot you over to a video that'll tell you how to find that paint code. Now, once you get that, you go back here to the back, 0624 Olympic White. And there's a number AGM 0434. Boom, and that is right there. So the other thing we can do is go to the Dupli-Color website, Olympic White, and then we've got AGM 0434. Will, this is gonna be so easy. This has got everything that we need. Everything that we need today is all right here. I'll show you this. We got this abrasive tip right there, right? And once we're good with that, we get that out of the way. We've got this pen, and we can do that, right? And the paint comes out, which is cool. And if it's a little bit more, boom, there's the brush. But then when it's done, we gotta clear it, right? To get the job done. And we don't need to get more clear because there's a little clear right down there at the bottom. So the first thing we need to do is just get this good and clean, right? And then we also did, behind the scenes, a little bit of practice on a piece of cardboard with the brush versus the pen, which I highly recommend doing. You know, you don't just want to go in there and use one or the other. Practice a little bit, especially if they're really small. Which one were you more comfortable with?
Well, with the brush.
Okay, I was too, so here, we'll knock this out in no time. How's it going?
Looks new again.
So Will, we got the color on. I feel good about that. And then we cleared it, right, after we waited enough time. Hey, it was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I want to thank you for coming in and bringing the truck. This has been a lot of fun, this whole process. And you guys watching, if you have any questions or you want any more information about any of these products that we use, just check out Dupli-Color's website.